Hi everyone, good afternoon. Today I wanted to explain about how to installing or how to upgrading iOS 14 because iOS 14 beta profile is already released. So here is my iPhone 7 and I'm already updated. There you can see maybe there's the one. Okay. See this is the beta profile. So this is the beta profile. Okay, here's mine. This is iPhone 7 and here you can see that 13.5.1. So I will go to upgrading. So first you have to go to the website from Safari. There you can type iPhone iOS 14 beta download, and there's just the beta profile website, and go to there and you have to enter the allowed. So after that the profile is already in your setting area, so close it and then open your setting, and there's the profile, and that's profile you have to go to enter inside, and there's this iOS 14 beta profile and going to install it and enter your password and install it. After install it they will ask you to restart or not, so as you wish you can restart or not. So after that check your software update, there's the iOS 14 beta is already there, so enter your password and download and install it. Maybe around 2 to 3 hours depending on your internet speed. This is maximum 3 hours. So after finished just install it. So here's I already installed it, and here I'll show you there's the iOS 14 already. This is the developer beta version. This is not official version yet. So here I check it, is the home screen and some little changes, whole screen, and then also some the translator. You can translate not all, the few items you can translate it on your device. So when I open it, here you can see it. It's translating out. You can translate English, Arabic, Chinese, and other maybe some few language you can translate. So here I already checking what time is it, so it's already translated in Japanese. It's nice, it's built in already translated app. So this is also picture in picture. Later I will explain you about what is a picture in picture. And here is the widget. It's nice and cool. The finally is really nice. We are going to jailbreaking because of that. Here also NFC tag reader is already on iOS 14, so you can check it. This is the app library. They all collecting together, and you can search all the item by yourself also. And here's the widget. It's nice, so you can remove the widget in your home screen anywhere. Okay, now I will explain about the series. It's really nice and beautiful design, not like before. Before is the full screen, now is only you can see all the background also. And here when asking for the Siri is really good response, and it's nice and cool design. And here's also emoji. When you're typing for the emoji, you can search find the word, not like before. Before it's just all together. Now if you want love or hike or mountain or whatever, you just type it all collection all together, and then you can swipe and you can check. It's easy and cool. It's really nice updating. I love it. And also memoji also is a little added more memoji. You can see this a little more design. And later I will show you the YouTube. When I open the YouTube, I want to check the picture in picture, but it's not yet updating on YouTube. So you're gonna use in YouTube in picture in picture, but you can use in Safari. There's Safari when I open the video. So when I press the home screen, it is already picture in picture. You can move anywhere and you can keep it wherever you want, and you can search background. See here is very nice when you are checking the background or whatever, and also picture in picture you can see it, you can watch it. And overall, when I'm talking about overall, it's really nice, cool widget, and then you can search, you can give it any widget anywhere, and really nice. And there also picture in picture, and This icon is a little bigger than the 4, a little bigger than the 4 icon, and this is really nice, cool. And this is the app library. It's really useful for app library. I love it because you can collect all together the music or whatever all together, and this here is picture in picture. It's cool. Well, if I have to say about the overall of iOS 14, is really great and clean design. I hope you will love it also, because in iOS 14 I love the emoji, memoji, and picture in picture, and then also widget, so we no need jailbreak anymore. Before we are doing for jailbreaking because of that. Now it's easy and very nice widget, and I hope you love it about the iOS 14. If you want to install it, just please follow by my stuff, and then also please backup your photo or whatever you keep backup. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for your watching, and see you soon. Bye.